Before you run a single regression, clean your data. 4 moves stand between a raw dataset and coefficients you can trust. Stabilize the variation, tame the outliers, filter your observations, and bring event study sense. Do all 4, and your coefficients become trustworthy. First, scaling. A startup spending $2 million on research and a giant spending $2 billion live on totally different scales. So express each as a ratio, like R and D to assets. A common size income statement rewrites every line as a percent of revenue. Cost of goods 60%, gross profit 40%, operating expenses 20%, net income 15%. Now a tiny firm and a giant read off one scale. The same trick rescues macro data. Scale a figure to GDP, to population, or to a growth rate, and Vietnam and the United States finally sit on one axis. Second, outliers. A single extreme point, a typo, a measurement error, or a genuine rarity can hijack your mean and inflate your variance. Method 1 is trimming. Cut a fixed percent off both tails, 1 or 5% each, and drop those extremes entirely. A smaller sample, but a mean the outliers cannot move. Method 2 is Windsorizing. Instead of dropping, replace each extreme with the 1st or 99th percentile. You keep every observation, the finance standard. Watch them on 10 firms. The raw mean is 13.7%. Dragged up by one blowout. Both methods pull the mean down to 7.5. But trimming shrinks the sample to 8 rows, while Windsorizing keeps all 10. So pick one per variable. Never stack both. They are alternatives. Doing both is redundant double filtering you cannot justify. Third, filter your sample with discipline. Exclude financials and utilities, fix one currency, but document every screen, or you invite selection bias. Finally, for an event study, keep only firms with enough data on both sides and watch for rival shocks. Separate your CPTPP effect from the Belt and Road shock hitting at the same time. Clean data earns trustworthy coefficients.